Hello everyone, I'm Cleon from ASRock. Today I'm going to introduce to you three new technologies. XFast555, which includes XFast USB, XFast LAN, and XFast RAM. First, we're going to show you ASRock's XFast USB, which boosts all of your USB devices' performance and speed. And we're going to show you by running ATTO disk benchmark. But first, without XFast USB. The transfer size, we're going to set it from 1 kilobytes to 8,000 kilobytes. And the total length is 1 gigabyte. Okay, so these are the results of ATTO disk benchmark without XFast USB turned on. And next we're going to try the benchmark again, but with XFast USB turned on to turbo mode. And start. Now let's compare the two ATTO disk benchmarks. The one on the left is with XFast USB turned off, and the one on the right is with XFast USB turned on to turbo mode. And you can see that with XFast USB turned on to turbo mode, it boosts up to 365 for writing, and it goes up to 258 for reading. So that's about up to 5 times faster with XFast USB turned on. And on the bottom right over here, we can see that XFast USB has pushed the SSD speed to a limit of about 450 MBs per second. So XFast USB can really boost up our USB's performance up to 5 times faster. The second of XFast555 is ASRock's XFast LAN. And if you're a user like me who likes to download things while playing games, then you'll really like this new function. First, you go to XFast LAN and you click on Options, Settings to open it. And then, for example, I hate the latency in games when I'm downloading files, so I go to Programs and Games. And then I can search for the game that I don't want any latency. And I set the priority to high by clicking on Search. And then, let's see, I like to play Diablo 3. And then I turn the priority to higher and click on Add. Then you can see that Diablo 3 appears in my list of games that I set to highest priority. And then click on Save Priorities to make it take effect. So then next time when I'm downloading and playing Diablo 3 at the same time, I will have lower latency in the game. It makes your internet faster 5 times. The last feature I want to show you is XFast RAM. With XFast RAM, your system speed is boosted up to 5 times faster by creating a hidden partition, which is also called a RAM disk. And all you have to do is go into F-Stream Tuning or ASRock's AXTU XFast RAM, and then you choose a drive, which is your hidden partition. And right here we're going to choose drive Y. And for disk size, we're going to choose 4096 megabytes. And in the options over here, we can choose what files we want to throw into that virtual drive, such as system temporary files, IE catch files, memory page files, or user temporary files. And right here I'm going to turn on all of them. And then I'm going to click on Apply and Start. Now it says that changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So I'm going to restart my computer. We've now successfully created our drive Y, which is our virtual disk for XFast RAM over here. And now let's run benchmark tests on it. For the first benchmark test, we'll use an SSD and try to see what the speed is. And then for our second benchmark test, we'll test how fast XFast RAM is. Next, we're going to run a benchmark test with XFast RAM. From the numbers over here, we can see that the benchmark test with XFast RAM is super fast, faster than the benchmark test of the SSD. And in our other test with Photoshop and XFast RAM on, we've proved that XFast RAM makes Photoshop speed 5 times faster. ASRock's XFast555 will give you the fastest computing experience ever. So give me 5.